Carbon cannot be restored emotionally. It must be measured precisely and at planetary scale. This is where artificial intelligence becomes indispensable, not dominant, but indispensable in Earth restoration. We discuss 400 million hectares of regeneration that is not symbolic planting, that is measurable. Biomass, soil, carbon, atmospheric drawdown, water cycle stabilization. To manage this manually is impossible. The planet is too large, the variables too complex. AI becomes the nervous system of restoration. Satellites measure canopy growth drones, monitor planting survival sensors, track soil carbon changes, atmospheric models, project sequestration rates. Carbon markets require verification. Without AI, restoration collapses into guesswork. But AI does not define value. Humans define value. AI calculates performance on the moon. Carbon becomes currency in your planetary sovereign structure. If carbon credits finance expansion, then measurement integrity becomes essential. AI prevents fraud by cross-referencing satellite imagery with biomass models, soil data, and atmospheric impact. Venus atmospheric engineering requires constant modeling pressure, chemistry, heat, dynamics. AI simulates millions of atmospheric scenarios to stabilize floating habitats. Jupiter's moons require resource mapping, extraction, efficiency, environmental impact modeling. All depend on machine computation at scale. Fear of AI ignores scale reality. Planetary systems exceed human calculation capacity, but not human authority. AI is the instrument of precision, not the architect of morality on Earth. Restoration, carbon accounting must be transparent, open source, auditable, distributed across nodes to prevent manipulation. If carbon becomes currency, governance must ensure no centralized registry controls. Global valuation. AI enables distributed verification, block-based audit chains, cross-border carbon validation systems. The same applies to lunar resource accounting. Oxygen production, water extraction, regolith processing must be transparently monitored to prevent monopolization. AI ensures clarity, but governance ensures fairness. The weakness is not machine intelligence. The weakness is human opacity, where transparency exists. AI strengthens trust, where opacity exists. AI amplifies corruption. Structure determines outcome. Planetary restoration, planetary expansion, planetary governance all require data density beyond manual capability. AI becomes the connective tissue between measurement and action, between detection and correction, between deviation and stability. Restoration without AI is symbolic expansion. Without AI is chaotic governance. Without AI is blind. Therefore, the question is not whether AI should be used. The question is whether it is embedded inside accountable structures. The future of planetary civilization depends on measurable reality, measurable carbon, measurable oxygen, measurable water, measurable resource flows. AI makes planetary accounting possible. Humans decide what to do with that. Accounting sovereignty remains. Human scale requires machine intelligence.